Okay, sorry, this is in two halves. I had to leave for a minute. I was interrupted by my aunt, who is delivering rocky roads to everybody in the family by just leaving them on her doorstep to cheer us all up during these dark days. Right, getting back to this. So you were looking at an image of the southwest of Ireland where there's really good examples of bays and headlands all along the coastline there, and this is because of the alternating rock type. And I was reminding you that you studied Munster Ridge and Valley, and you should be familiar with the geology of the area here, which will explain it. So here is Munster. You can see the anticlines, the ridges there. Here are all of the headlands, and here are the bays in between. Actually, I think I'm going on my summer holidays to one of these, if that happens. Somewhere, yeah, the Bear Peninsula, somewhere there. But if we superimpose the rock type on top of it, you'll see that the brown represents sandstone and the yellows and the greys represent limestone. So what's happened here is that the softer rock, the softer limestone and shales, so the grey is shale, sorry, and the limestone is yellow, the softer rock has been removed from where that was, and the harder rock, the more resistant sandstones, protrude out into the coast, forming the headlands. So this is a really good example of differential erosion. Soft rock eroded faster, hard rock eroded slower, and then remains behind. I'm going to skip that because it's not great. How do you recognise them on Ordnance Survey maps? Fairly straightforward. The bay is the indent. Often bays might have a beach, but not always, but they do sometimes have a beach in them. And the headlands are the sticky out bits. Sometimes they're helpfully called points, or they can be called something like Clocker Head. So you might see it in the place names as well. So easy to recognise on OS maps. Not quite sure why this slide is here. Maybe we're going to do a recap. So basically bays and headlands, your second feature of erosion. Bay, indent in the coastline. Headland, piece of the coast that juts out. They're formed by differential erosion, and this basically when different parts of the land are eroded at different rates because of the different rock types. The processes of erosion involved in their formation are hydraulic action, compressed air, abrasion and solution. You've got to be able to explain those, and solution plays a bigger role when the softer rock that's there is limestone because it can be dissolved easily. And that is all I have to say about that. I will post a diagram on the page. Maybe this was the diagram? No, I'll post a better diagram on the page that you are then to draw in to your booklets on page 30. And this is our next topic, which I'll save for the next video. And I'll just pop up here. Oh god, I don't know what I'm after doing. No, I was going to stick myself back in the webcam, but I won't. Alright, that's all for now.